So, hello guys. Today I want to talk about some practical prints I'm doing at the moment, like household stuff where 3D printing is a big help, and therefore I printed that enormous thing there, 1 kilogram of PETG almost, and I'll show you what I designed this for, and hopefully it will fit for that purpose, but we'll see in a couple of seconds. Some warping while the thing was cooling down, it seems. Yeah, guys, so this is where for what I built this thing. So we just put it on top of the cat, and then the cat escapes. So now it's those fodder machines, which I'm pretty fond of. They help really a lot to keep the cats in that trim shape. Yeah, like overweight on cats is really a big issue. And we have those machines, but that specific guy is a little bit too clever for his own good. So he figured out, oh, I can just throw that machine over, topple it over, and get to all the fodder I want. And so he did that. So then we went with the duct tape, which resolved that issue for a while. Then he figured somehow out how to open the lid. Then we put those weights on there. And now recently he figured out how to get that weight off there, and it's still getting to the fodder. So we're running out of duct tape, and therefore I printed this, and hopefully I measured right. There's some criticism here for the warping. I should have put in some ribs, I guess. Yeah, let's see if it fits, and then clean the whole thing up and put it on. So that fits. I thought we had a little bit of Donald Trump hand syndrome here, but actually fits my hand pretty perfect. Get it off and on, and yeah. So hopefully I don't have to reprint it too soon again. But yeah, hopefully that resolves our problem here. But I'm pretty certain the cats won't get that turned over. He said in false confidence. So the next household challenge, like when I'm washing my my coffee machine parts here and have them drip drying a little bit in that sink, and I got this extension here which makes it easier, but this one actually does not have a trough to put below, so we can only use it in the sink, and yeah, now we can't wash our hands. A big problem. But not so really. I just went to Markerworld, searched for like a oval vase or like a rectangular vase, and then I scaled it up to the dimensions of that thing, that drying thing. And now if I don't destroy it in the first try, I have something to put this on. Like my leftover filaments also fit the design quite nice. So that's a bonus factor which puts at almost a negative positive bribe approval factor areas. That's 3D printed, probably never will get quite there, but yeah, like another household problem solved via 3D printing, this time in this form also only possible via the Cobra 3 Max, which this video is actually not that much about, but yeah, took a little bit over. Like the additional space you got with a big printer really comes in handy, as you would have needed to split this and glue it together or something, which is always a little bit off and hassle and imperfection. Yeah, but like this way you can really solve problems quite almost fast, and like it's not cheap, I must say, but like for stuff like this where you don't have the exact measurements in store, and then you have to drive to another store or order it online and wait a day for shipping, then you have designed and printed it in the same time, so for about the same cost overall. So I'm really happy with finding solutions for problems, and especially in the organizing space in the household, this is really one of the big use cases for 3D printing for me, where I'm really happy whenever I can utilize them. So thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.